Okay, so to complement what we've done so far on typical animal and plant cells, we're going to have a look at full specialized cells. Now, these specialized cells are adapted. Okay, that means they have special features, special structures that allow them to carry out their function. So I've got two from an animal and two from a plant. So the red blood cell, main purpose of the red blood cell is to transport oxygen. Now, it can transport oxygen because it doesn't have a nucleus, so there's no nucleus. So that provides additional space to actually transport the oxygen. It also contains a special protein called hemoglobin that contains iron that allows it to transport the oxygen. So if you've ever you cut your lip, you've tasted blood, it tastes metallic. It's because there's actually iron there. So the red blood cell, no nucleus, so it can make space for the hemoglobin, so it can transport the oxygen. The sperm cell has a tail. So the tail basically helps it to swim so it can fertilize the egg. It's also got a very, very large, obvious nucleus that contains the DNA from the father. And if you look at this section here in the middle, these little dots, it actually has mitochondria. So it has lots of mitochondria to provide the energy to actually allow the tail to move, to help it to swim to the egg. So there's the two specialized animal cells. The specialized plant cells, so we've seen these before. The root hair cell, so you'll notice it's got this additional appendage here, this extra structure on the end, and that's to increase its surface area so that it can absorb quickly as much water and also minerals from the soil. So it's got a big surface area so it can absorb water and minerals very, very quickly from the soil. And this one here, sorry it's black and white, but I haven't got a green. So this is a Palisade Leaf cell. We've seen these before, these kind of box-shaped, rectangular-shaped cells. Lots and lots and lots of chloroplasts. And of course, their main function is photosynthesis. So some cells can be adapted, so they become specialized to carry out certain functions in the plant, either in the leaf or underground in the roots, or in animals in the blood or in reproduction.